Dongfeng Commercial Vehicle Malaysia Sdn Bhd has introduced the new Dongfeng Prime Mover VL450 to the Malaysian market. This 4x2 configuration truck, designed for heavy-duty applications, features the Dongfeng DCI 450-51 Euro 5 engine, producing 450 horsepower and a maximum torque of 2080 Newton meters. The VL450 is compliant with Euro 5 emission standards, ensuring minimal pollutants and harmful emissions. Safety features include a full air braking system with ABS and auxiliary brakes. The ergonomic cab design with a high roof sleeper and adjustable air suspension seats enhances driver comfort and reduces fatigue.